Today, we're going to draw Slenderman.
Sorry for that. Before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you won't miss any future drawing videos. If you feel the video is going a bit too fast, you can always slow it down from the playback settings in the bottom right corner. Let's get started and bring this tall, mysterious figure to life.
Did you know that Slenderman was actually created online back in 2009 for a Create Paranormal Images contest on an internet forum? The original creator was Eric Kudinson, also known as Victor Surge, who posted 2 creepy photos of kids with a tall, thin figure lurking behind them. Interesting story, Slenderman's appearance is pretty consistent in pop culture. Super tall, extremely thin, with a completely blank face, wearing a dark suit and tie. Did you know many stories say he appears in forests or abandoned places, often near children, and sometimes causes what's called slender sickness, nightmares, paranoia, and nosebleeds? Fun fact. Because there is no single official story, the Slenderman myth grew by thousands of fans online, adding their own versions, videos, games, and even movies. Fun detail. The Slenderman myth has also been linked to older folklore, tall, thin men in the woods, bogeyman-type figures used to scare children. So he's kind of a modern version of old legends. Interesting story, his influence has spread into games like Slender, The 8 Pages, and countless YouTube series, making him one of the most viral horror figures of internet culture. Did you know that in some fan theories, Slenderman can extend his arms and black tentacles, not just to grab victims, but also as a way to travel between dimensions, making him a supernatural being that exists beyond time and space? That's one reason fans call him the Faceless Wanderer. Fun fact, even though he's meant to be scary, some fan culture has turned Slenderman into something silly or even cute. Parodies, memes, and art where he's cooking or baking cookies.
And we've finished drawing Slenderman together. Oh, by the way, you can download the Slenderman coloring page from the link in the description below. Thanks so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this, please like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next CuteEZDraw video. Bye-bye.